Today we're going to Curry's to pick up the Olympus TG5 Tough camera that I bought online. So that's the TG5 picked up. Comes in a small box. So I'm back at Curry's to return the TG5 with a dead or faulty pixel. Now we're in Jessop's. So that's the camera I bought for £319 and I get a free blue case as well, courtesy of Jessop's. Oh, it's finally arrived. Not too late. Now Adnan is setting off for Cambridge! Let's hope he... So we're catching the 1738 Lincoln Central via Sheffield. Platform 17B. Transpennine Express to Manchester Airport.
Just have contact lenses.
No, black eye though.
Yeah, no, so it's not a black eye then. Eyeshadow.
Why they call them black eye?
Because, no, he doesn't know what a black eye is. I'm drawing my eye. It's not my eyes to random person.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't know, it's got to stick, they're wearing black eyeshadow, okay?
Why are you drawing your eye?
Why do you draw that for you?
Because there's nothing else to draw.
Try and do one pull up, go on. Pull up. You can't do any yet. Just do one. Pull. Go on, Annie, see if you can beat Sammy. Try it. Come on, good girl. Fail.
You can't do it either.
I can do at least 6.
Okay, do it then.
Sammy.
That's the Marina Beach over
Yeah, that's the beach. Latonia. Empty. And the marina's next to it. The boats.
Ready to go underwater?
Not yet. This is a TG5 sea test to see if it survives going underwater. We're at the beach in Turkey and we're going to go underwater. Are you ready?
Wait, let me bring Liza.
No, you actually can't go underwater.
No, over there, just
right.
there.
Can you swim underwater to me?
I can't swim here.
What?
Can't swim.
Can't swim here?
I'll try.
Go on. Underwater. Come on, swim it then. And it survived. Cycling underwater. So let's try it again. Let's go under, half in, half out. We're underwater. We're now underwater. Going out in the just deep, pretty straight. There we go. So it survived underwater.
It's easier to swim with
The TG5 survived in the sea. You can move out of the way if you're not going in. Go on. Hold her hand, Danny, and take her in. Lashing in the water. Let's see what they look like from under the water. You can get me both of you if you want. Sammy, you're going too far out. Yeah. Go on in. You have to get me then. You have to get close enough to get me. Now we get Sammy. Do again. Still works. Sound probably buggered up.
Yeah, I do.
What's you doing, Liza? And over there across the bay, Fatia is burning. Some kind of fire on. Raging. Might be just a forest fire. It's white smoke, so it's probably wood. Careful, it's slippy. So it's now about 8 AM. Very slippy. It's ice and frost. No snow yet.
Can I get it?
Wait. £3 for 8 and 94p for 4. Which one?
2 of these.
Yeah, so why did you pick up the 8 for £3?
Because we normally get them ones.
Yeah, but the cheaper you can get 3. You want 50% more. You have to watch the prices in Tesco.
This is the memorial to the US bomber that crashed here in 1944.
Crash of Mi Amigo, Enclave Park, 22nd of February 1944. Mi Amigo B-17 Heroes.
That's not